Hi, my name is Rosie Scolti. I've been at Wellington for 3 years now, and my current role is, as well as being an English teacher and head of university admissions, I also coordinate the Academic Scholars Program. The scenario that we picked for the mock trial is actually a scenario that is widely used. This one is actually based in Oregon in US, and it's a fictional case, but it's based on real facts. So to summarize, it's the case of a teenage driver called Danny DeLuca who was involved in a fatal road accident as a result of him texting while driving.
I played the role of the defendant, Danny DeLuca, a 17-year-old boy who was charged with manslaughter in the first degree after his car fatally collided with that of an 88-year-old woman. This experience has been incredibly fun and eye-opening for me.
The purpose of the mock trial activity, actually there was a lot of different purposes to it. The first one was for the students to research and present complex information. So one of the key skills that they had to develop was that ability to go through, sift through, review a large quantity of information.
So the most challenging part was probably going through the case file, because there was a lot of information that you had to retain, and especially under pressure, that was a lot of information that you had to recall immediately. That was a bit more difficult.
Some of the other key skills that they developed was obviously teamwork, because each team had to work together. So there was a lot of collaboration, there was a lot of negotiation from the sides of the students.
Honestly, it was kind of challenging for me to work with everyone in my team, because everyone had different ways of doing things and different ways that they like to do their research. It required compromise for us to eventually come to a conclusion.
Since I've never really done anything about law before, the helper from my group really helped me a lot, and they taught me a lot of things about how to do mock trials.
I learned how to think under pressure. I had to answer a lot of questions from the defense team. If I didn't have a really straightforward answer, I had to remain calm and honest. I think I learned a lot about integrity, because honesty was really important.
Some of the things that I noticed was they're growing confident. They were much more willing to actually challenge the judge, and they were using legal terminology in order to do that.
The most challenging part was, because of being a closing lawyer, you have only one day to prepare, because you have to use the evidence and the speeches used from the first day to your closing speech. Having that limited amount of time to prepare a nicely done and constructed speech is really hard.
I'm really proud that I was able to speak in the mock trial, even when I was really nervous.
I firmly believe that activities such as the mock trial give our students an excellent opportunity to develop their skills outside of the classroom and help them build their academic profile ahead of university applications in Year 13.